Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a NatWest bank account online. First, go to the NatWest website and choose the type of account you want to open. For example, a current account or a savings account. Then click Ready to apply and read the eligibility requirements and important legal information for your chosen account. Then click Apply Now and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your personal details such as your name, address, and contact information. You'll need to upload identification documents like your passport, driving license, or national ID card, and take a selfie video for verification. Once you filled in all the required information and uploaded the documents, submit your application. NatWest will review it and may contact you if additional information is needed. If your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email with steps to activate your account. Follow the instructions to set up online banking and receive your debit card. And that's it. That's how you can easily open a NatWest bank account online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.